Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this video I'm gonna show you how to live wallpaper on Android. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. You can use a live wallpaper app, and you can download a live wallpaper app from your Google Play Store, and here you can see I have already downloading that application. So I'm going to download the value applications, but you can download Chroma Galaxy Live Wallpaper or Forest Live Wallpaper. So after downloading the app, select the live wallpaper you want to use and set it as your wallpaper. So let me download that application, and after that I will show you how you can apply it on your device. Tap on open. Tap on accept and continue. Now allow, and here you can see wallpapers. Now let me select one of the wallpaper, like I can select this, and now here you can see I have download option. I'm just going to download that and set as the lock screen, and you can see if I lock my screen, and this will update it to my device. This is how you can easily get live wallpaper on your Android device. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.